If you want to make your presentations look more polished and engaging, one of the best things you can learn is how to add custom animation in LibreOffice Impress. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to animate text or objects in your slides so your presentation feels more dynamic and professional. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new software guide. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a presentation ready, you can open that file directly. If not, you can start fresh by going to the Create section on the left side and clicking Impress Presentation. This will open a new presentation where you can begin adding content and animations. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the object or text you want to animate. This could be a title, a bullet point, an image, a shape, or any other element on the slide. Before you can add an animation, you need to make sure the object itself is selected, so click on the item once to highlight it. Now, look over to the right side of the LibreOffice Impress window. You should see the animation panel. If it is not visible right away, make sure you've selected the object first, because that often brings up the available animation tools. The animation panel is where you control how the selected item behaves during the slideshow. Inside the animation panel, click the Add button. This is the step that opens the list of available animation effects. LibreOffice gives you different animation styles, so you can choose the one that best fits the purpose of your presentation. For example, you might want something simple and clean for a business slide, or something more noticeable for a creative presentation. After clicking Add, browse through the animation options and select the effect you want. Take a moment to think about how the animation will appear to your audience. You want it to support your message, not distract from it. Once you find the effect you like, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, the animation has been added to your selected object. You can repeat the same process for other objects on the slide if you want multiple elements to animate separately. Just select the next object, open the animation panel again, click it, choose the effect, and confirm it. If you want to fine-tune the look of your presentation, try testing different effects to see which one feels the most natural. Some animations work better when they are subtle, while others are useful if you need to emphasize a key point. The goal is to make your slide easier to follow and more visually interesting. Once you've added the animation, you can run your slideshow to preview it. This is an important step because it lets you check how the animation appears in real time. If it looks good, you're done. If not, you can always go back and change the effect until it matches the style you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to add custom animation in LibreOffice Impress. It's a quick and easy way to make your slides feel more professional and help your audience stay engaged throughout your presentation. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more LibreOffice and software tutorials, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.